Okay, so everyone, thank you very much for being patient with us. We have the slightly, internet connection problems and also dead heat. Okay, dead heat issues on my computer. So, I'm kind of scared that this live stream may not be able to, finish or not. I'm not sure. Okay, but I will do my best. All right, so I'd like to do the Gaoranger DX Soul Bar TV game console. All right, so this is a loose items. I don't know if we are going to sell it or not at this point, okay? But it's kind of fun. But to try that hooking onto my computer and show you what it does, okay? So, well, actually, let me show you the what it looks like. Okay, so this is the items, okay? Soul Bird DX TV game console, and then when you go look at that, it has there's audio and then video out, RCA, I guess, RCA type connections, and then it will goes to the here. This is something I use it all the time, and this is the Canopsis converter. Advanced DV converter, okay, ADVC55. I connected to here, and this is the input, the RCA, but the output is the FireWire, okay, DV out. So the white cable goes into that's kind of hard. Going into the well, wait a minute. Let me just do it again. And this is the FireWire cables, and then you can convert the FireWire cable into the Thunderbolt. Okay, the Thunderbolt is over here, and you can get those adapters. You can convert from the FireWire 800 one to this the FireWire. So it will make you appear that game console on the screens. Let me show you. This is it. Okay. All right. And actually, we're gonna play the game today. Sorry about that. Okay. And so let me show you what it does. So we have the one simple switch over here on the top, and nothing fancy, but also game button is over here, left and right, and also you can select the menus with this button. Originally it came with the Gaoranger figures, soft beam figures. He can stand right here, okay, but unfortunately it didn't comes with it, so by itself. And you can open that aside like this, and I believe that you can put that another Gaoranger members and standing on here. The Gaoranger is here and on the side, okay. So well, this is the game console, but as well as the kind of the play toys too. So kind of interesting. And it does require the batteries. And let me show you. I believe this is what type 2. Okay, so a little bit bigger size, 4 of them, and close it. It's got wheels. Huh. And very simply, we have the power switch over here and the set button. Now its power is on, so you can hear the sounds. And I don't know how it functions, but it has the very interesting functions in here. You see that the Gao buttons over here. As I press it, and then the front gate open up, the big guns show up. Okay, like show you, like this. Okay. I tested, and then I don't think that this is nothing to do with the game inside, okay? But it's just interesting functions, the gimmick, okay? So when you close it, Just push in and close it. Oop. There you go. Okay, so basically that's it. All right, and so let's play that game. All right. Okay, how's that, everyone? I hope you can hear the sound. Okay. How is that, chat rooms? And is that okay and everything? You can hear, you can hear the sound, right? Okay, so I hope you are hearing the sound of the game console. Okay, like this. Can you? Yeah. Not sure if you are able to hear the sound. You hear the sound, right? I'm not sure how I can, body wrap for this game. So let me just play that. So I will just push that buttons and then start the game. Okay. So this is the stage 1. Alright, Alon French, welcome to the show. Thank you very much for coming. And hello, this is my first time to be away for Mr. S live stream. Thank you. Alright, so we are at the playing that Gaoranger DX Soulbird TV game console. So I already tested that, several stages, but the stage 1, I will just push that. And then, well, the Gaoranger related to the animals. So what we do is just shoot that like this. Shoot that at these, the animals. And then in the story it says that we're supposed to save them, not killing them. Okay. So every time I can get on that target, I should press the other buttons. Okay. Oop, I missed it. Okay, where did it go? Right. I have to wait until I get the chance. Okay, here we go. I got a chance. Go black. Got that. Alright, how is that, screen? Okay, it's game over now. Okay, so it will show you all the the results of how many animals you have saved, and depending on the score, you will get some bonus, which is the picture. Okay, so it is the bonus picture is the Gao Yellow. Okay, all right, Gao Yellow here it says. All right. So this is something that like this, and then if every time I hit the buttons, I'll show you all the bonus that I received. This is a picture of the Gao Black. Something else? Oh, okay, and then I'll came back. All right. So it's really simple game, but it looks like has some interesting kind of educational features as well. So when you go next selections and hit the button, it says the Zugaometer, which means the encyclopedia. See that encyclopedia. It explains that the game, I mean the animals that you have saved, and then show you. It explains that what kind of animal and how they live. So here's the first stage. All the animals from not the sea but in the land. Okay? So we received that lion and what's that? Zebra and horse. Okay, so I put that. Okay, so change that selections and lion. Press the key. And then explains a little bit about the lion. What is a lion like? The size, okay, and what do they eat, right? And then features, something like that. It's the main target for the children. So it's very simple. Descriptions. So let me go back. Okay, and then we'll just go back in the top. Here, we can change that, all the animals from the land, sea, and the sky. The animals living in the jungle, animals living in a cold place, and then or like the Maboroshi no Doubutsu, I would say animals that fantasy animals in fantasy, like a dragon or something like that. Okay? And then finally go back to the top. Soul bar. Okay. So something like that. It's a very simple one, but it's kind of fun stuff. Okay. So soul bar, Gaoranger, animal queue section, saving the old animal operation is the game. So we already took the pictures and we played a little, and it's still functionable, and we're setting it as it is. Okay. So watch out for our activation tomorrow. So the items will be activated at 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time tomorrow. Right? So let me just move that. Change my cameras again. Okay. Alright, soul bar. The item is loose, and we are setting it tomorrow. Okay, and so I guess that the connection is not really fixed. I guess. So thank you very much for being in the shows. I'll come back for the lucky draw for just a little bit more after this. So thank you guys, and then later on we will upload this episode, and so I hope you enjoy that. Okay, thank you very much. This has been the live recording from CSTOYS International with the very bad internet connections. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll come back.